Let's take a look at Gilson's selection of digital calipers, used where a high degree of precision is required for your unique measurement needs. Gilson offers 3 different digital calipers with jaw depths from 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches. And each Gilson digital caliper have an adjustable jaw that slides along a beam to perform accurate dimensional inside, outside, or depth measurements up to 12 inches. These sturdy calipers have a resolution of 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters, and measurements are displayed in inches or metric units. Calipers are constructed with quality stainless steel, suitable for rugged use, and features an easy-to-read LCD display with an on and off switch to conserve battery life, absolute and incremental measurement functions, and a zero calibration button. The Gilson TSA-271 Digital Caliper can measure up to 6 inches and has a jaw depth of 1.5 inches. The Gilson TSA-268 Digital Caliper can measure up to 12 inches and has a jaw depth of 2.5 inches. And the Gilson TSA-270 Digital Caliper can measure up to 12 inches and has a jaw depth of 3.5 inches. Both the TSA-268 and the TSA-270 models have an extended length range for precise dimensional checks of most asphalt, concrete, and soil specimens up to 6 by 12 inches. And the optional TSA-292 caliper accessory kit easily attaches to the TSA-271 or TSA-268 caliper models for the measurement of drilled concrete cores to meet ASTM C1542 test standard. Each Gilson digital caliper have a smooth-moving head utilizing the thumb slider, a locking knob to secure measurements in place, and come with a rugged protective carrying case to make the Gilson's digital calipers the right choice for your materials testing lab. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Gilson catalog and on the Gilson website. Gilson, your industry leader in materials testing equipment.